Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix video download problem on Pinterest app. In order to fix video download problem on Pinterest app, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, you could always go and check for your internet connection. Poor connectivity or unstable internet can cause such issue. So go ahead and open up your settings and go to network and internet. And here you could go ahead and disconnect your internet for a couple of seconds and restart it once again, and this should be able to fix it so as well. If not, you could also check for an update. Sometimes if you haven't updated the application for a long period of time, then it could cause such issues. So go to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Pinterest. When you locate it, so here check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If it is completely updated and you're still facing issue, you could actually go ahead and clear cache. So go ahead and long press the application, click the I button, go to the app info section and click on storage and cache. And here make sure to clear cache. Now clearing storage is going to delete the data, but if you're sure about it or okay with it, you could go and tap the OK button, and this should be able to fix it so as well. Now check whether you're able to download or not. If not, you could also go to permissions. Here you could go and make sure to enable permission for files and media as well as camera and microphone. Once you enable the permission, see whether the issue persists or not. In some cases, you have to check or you have to verify if the video is downloadable. Now some pins might have restrictions, so that might be the reason why you're unable to download it as well. So you could try accessing the video through a web browser. If none of these work, then you could actually contact the support team. So go and log into your account and click the profile from the bottom right hand side corner. Then click on the initials once again, and here go to help center and go ahead and submit a feedback. They will be able to look into your matter. So these are some of the ways you could fix video download problem on Pinterest app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.